In this video, I will discuss sum of natural numbers divisible by 5 and 7 up to a given limit. We will be comparing two approaches. In the first approach, we will be taking an iterative way of calculating the number, which we will try to do in linear time. And in the second approach, we will try to do the same calculation in constant time. Inside if, we will add all the numbers divisible by 5 and 7. Let's quickly check the results. Let's start with second approach, in which we will be doing the same calculation in constant time. In order to achieve that, we will be clustering our numbers in three different groups. First group will be divisible by 5, second group will be divisible by 7, and the third one is divisible by 35. We'll be adding first two groups and then we'll be subtracting the third group. We are subtracting the third group because we clearly see that 35 is added twice, so we have to subtract it once. In that matter, we have to subtract all the multiples of 35 from the sum which we have already calculated. The value of all the groups can be calculated by using the formula for calculating natural number sum in constant time. We can see that all the operations are in constant time. We'll quickly debug to see the correctness of second approach.